Overnight lows will drop into the upper 60s to lower 70s. SCD showers and thunderstorms will persist. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 449, effective until 2 a.m. Monday. This watch includes the following counties: in New Jersey, Hunter and Sussex and Warren. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the latest weather map discussion.